Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to add or restore missing power plans in Windows 10. Type power plans in Windows search bar. Click choose a power plan. Ultimate Performance power plan is not viewed under power plan. Type PowerShell in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Copy command from description and paste it into command window. Press Enter key. Type exit from PowerShell window. Type power plans in Windows search bar. Click choose a power plan. Ultimate Performance power plan is added successfully. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.